In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our 20th lecture of maths. Today we will do our written work of countdown book of page number 58, 59 and 67. Firstly, prepare your sketch. Write C.W in the middle of the line and date on corner on the specific day on these pages. Today we are going to understand about word problems. In addition, we will call these word problems as addition stories. These stories gives us some information. Then they ask us to find something. First, we have to understand the story clearly, what the information given to us, what we have to find out, then we have to find the answer. When the word in, all together and totally come in the story, then we have to add the numbers given in the story. On page number 58, word problems, addition. हमीदा has 10 blocks. हमीदा के पास 10 blocks हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She wins 5 more. उसने 5 और जीते. How many blocks does she have altogether? उसके पास कितने blocks हैं? So look at these digits. 10 and 5 is already written here and here is a sign of addition. Let's count. Keep 10 in the mind. Another digit is 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. So Hamida has 15 blocks altogether. 15 is already written here. Rabia has 7 bangles. Rabia के पास 7 bangles हैं. Mummy gives her 3 more. मम्मी ने उसे 3 और दी. How many bangles does she have altogether? उसके पास कितनी bangles हैं? Now check this example by yourself. On page number 59, word problems, addition. Question number 1, write the sum in the box and find the answer. Box में sum write करें और answer find करें. Ali makes 16 runs and Hassan makes 3 runs. Ali ने 16 runs बनाए और हसन ने 3 runs बनाए. How many runs do they make all together? उन्होंने मिलकर कितने runs बनाए? 16 में 3 ऐड करने से हम बता सकते हैं कि दोनों ने मिलकर कितने रन्स बनाए. So look at this box. 16 and 3 is already written here and here is a sign of addition. Keep 16 in the mind. Another digit is 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now we will count after 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. We have to write 19 in the box. Let's read the next story. Saima buys 10 chocolates and 7 cupcakes. Saima ने खरीदे 10 chocolates और 7 cupcakes. How many sweets does she buy altogether? उसने कितनी sweets buy की? Now we will write 10 here and then 7. Keep 10 in the mind. Another digit is 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will count after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 17. Saima buys 17 sweets altogether. 2 has been done for you. 3 are remaining. Do these by yourself. On page number 67, word problems, addition. Question number 1, write the sum in the box and find the answer. Box में sum write करें और answer find करें. First is Tahir coins. Tahir के पास 14 coins हैं. Jamal has 23 coins. Jamal के पास 23 coins हैं. How many coins are there all together? उनके पास कितने coins हैं? 14 and 23 is already written here and also here is a sign of addition. Keep 4 in the mind. Another digit is 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now we will count after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is already written here. Next is 1. So keep 1 in the mind. Another digit is 2. Let's count. 1, 2. Now we will count after 1, 2, 3. So 3 is already written here and the answer is 37. So 37 coins are there all together. Let's read our next story. Rahman played 15 cricket matches in 1 year. एक साल में रहमान ने 15 क्रिकेट मैचेस प्ले किए एंड 12 मैचेस इन द सेकेंड ईयर और दूसरे साल में 12 मैचेस प्ले किए. हाउ मैनी मैचेस डिड ही प्ले इन द 2 years? उसने 2 सालों में कितने मैचेस प्ले किए? Now we will write the given values in the box. First we have to write 15 and then we have to write 12. Now keep 5 in the mind. Another digit is 2. Let's count. 1, 2. Now we will count after 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. Next is 1. Keep 1 in the mind. Another digit is 1. Count 1. Now we will count after 1. So 2. So the answer is 27. So Rahman played 27 matches in the 2 years. 2 has been done for you. 3 are remaining. Do these by yourself. Now this is your home task. Do homework of page number 58, 59 and 67 and also do practice in AR. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.